This is a Fivegoes piano mat for kids. As you can see, this is a 44-inch by 20-inch double keyboard music play mat. I will show you that it have a 20 keys and you can put it on the floor for the musical dance or the blanket or the mat. So you can see there are 10 side each for the piano mat. It's battery operated, and I will just open the battery pack and show you. So this have 3 AA batteries. It's pretty easy to change. It already came with the batteries for me. So there are 3 batteries, 3 AA batteries that you need to replace once they are out. It's pretty easy, one screw and then put on and off button. So there are 2 on and off button, one on the plastic box and other is on the mat. So you can see there are actually 8 different style of the music mat that you can use. So here it is, the whole mat. So you can choose all the different the instrument that you want to play on it. So this have a adjustable volume on the left below corner, 8 instrument sound, sense of touching, 20 piano keyboards, 10 demo, 1 key, 1 note, play button, playback, record. So you can use all these different 8 instrumental sounds that includes your flute, guitar, clarinet, xylophone, saxophone, accordion, violin and piano. So all these buttons are on the top where you can record the tune you want and then play it back so the kids can have fun. Also this have a on and off button on the mat, and also there is a play button that you can play the preset sounds, and you can also adjust the volume. So this is a fun mat. This mat is also non-slip, soft material, as I can show you, and the batteries I already explained to you. This is very soft, by touching I can feel it, and then the non-grip on the back you can see this one. So this is a non-slip mat. So I will say this is a super fun and music inspiration for the kids, and they can enjoy it with the coordination, with the sound, with the music, with the dance and everything. So these are the all buttons and the description along with the batteries and things that I explained to you in the video. And these are my kids playing on the mat, and hope they will be less noisy for that.